Then bring it down. Let's go outside. This is the old one. Getting ready to come out. Have it disconnected. This is a relief valve here. Have that open as well to let the circulation of air go through so the water will come out a little faster. This is the hot water connection. This is the cold. Then you have the foot pipe here. Going all the way up there. Okay, so that's how that's going to look. You have to do some altering, but it should be fine. Okay. So, with that being said, as I say, this one is draining pretty slowly, even though I have the air going through it. Here's the new one here. It's not going as fast as the other ones. It's kind of at a trickle there. So that's going to take a little while. So what I'm going to do is I have one set to go. I'm going to go ahead and go over to that one and then return to this one a little later this morning. So with that being said, till next time, shalom.